In this video, we are exploring one of German's magical Christmas markets, and I'll teach you important phrases you'll need to make your experience here during the Christmas time unforgettable. By the end of today's lesson, you will have practical words and phrases to help you confidently navigate your visit to the Christmas markets in German. So grab a warm drink, get ready to practice, and let's dive in. If we haven't met yet, hallo und herzlich willkommen. I'm Salome, a native German teacher. I've been teaching German for over a decade now, and I specialize in helping total beginners go from saying their very first words all the way up to having their first conversations with natives. I do this through my online course, the German Fluency Academy, which covers everything from the total beginner level to the intermediate level within one program. We focus mainly on practical German that is used in real life. So if that sounds like something you need and want, go check out my free workshop for beginners where we'll cover everything you need to know to get your German learning journey set on the right foot. By the end of the workshop, you'll also learn more about how you can join us inside the German Fluency Academy. I would love to see you there. To make this lesson today easier to follow, I have divided this into 4 categories. How to order food and drinks, and we will focus on Christmas market specialties. How to pay. While it is getting more and more common to have electronic and card payments, it's not always a given. So knowing how to ask whether you can pay with card or need cash is a must know. How to invite someone. So if you are feeling generous and you want to invite your family and friends for a round of Glühwein or anything else, I got you covered. And we'll also dive into different kinds of reactions. So how to react like a native speaker to the food, the artworks, the lights, and all the other amazing things you'll discover at the Christmas markets. Also, bist du bereit? Los geht's. So here is the most important and common phrase you need to order something, whether that's food or drinks. So repeat after me. Ich hätte gern. Ich hätte gern. For example, ich hätte gern eine Bratwurst mit Pommes. Or ich hätte gern einen Gulasch. Or ich hätte gern ein Crepe. If you want any condiments or you want to ask if they have any, you'll need the phrase haben Sie, do you have, in the formal you. So the most common ones are ketchup, mayo, and mustard. Auf Deutsch, Ketchup, Mayo und Senf. So for example, haben Sie Senf? If you are sharing your food with someone else, which I would highly recommend doing because you can then try even more different stuff, you might need an extra set of cutlery. So these would be das Messer, die Gabel, der Löffel. So you would ask, könnte ich eine extra Gabel, ein extra Messer or einen extra Löffel haben? Moving on to the drinks, you'll use the same phrase and just add whatever drink there is. For example, ich hätte gern einen Glühwein or 2 Glühwein or 3 Glühwein, etc. Or ich hätte gern einen Kinderpunsch if you want something without any alcohol. Some other drinks that I would highly recommend are Honigmet and Eierpunsch. So if you want to ask how much it is, you will need the sentence wie viel kostet das? And they would answer with something like das macht dann, that makes, or das kostet. And a very common phrase you'll also hear is zahlen Sie zusammen oder getrennt? Do you pay together or separately? If you want to say that goes together, you would say das geht zusammen. And for separately, please, getrennt bitte. When it comes to paying, another important thing to keep in mind is that you will need to pay a deposit for your mug, which is called das Pfand. If you want to know how much deposit you need to pay, you can ask, wie viel Pfand ist auf der Tasse? Wie viel Pfand ist auf der Tasse? Usually it varies between 2 to 5 euros. And once you bring your mug back to the booth, you'll get your money back. All right, so now that we have got all of our practical phrases ready, let's put it to the test.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the
Hallo, ich hätte gern einen Glühwein, einen heißen Apfelsaft und einen Eierpunsch bitte.
29.
Ja. Wie viel ist der Pfand bei euch?
Pro Tasse 3 Euro.
Pro Tasse 3 Euro, okay, super. So, what kind of drinks do we have here now?
So we got one mulled wine,
Which is der Glühwein in German?
one hot apple juice,
Der heiße Apfelsaft.
and one punch with egg yolk.
It's like an eggnog. How do you call this in German?
Eierpunsch.
Der Eierpunsch. So I just had a sip of this Eierpunsch. It was really, really good. Das war sehr lecker. Can you explain to us what is inside?
So we got some orange juice here, mixed with eggnog and some cream on top.
So I'll bring back the mugs now to get the deposit back. Das Pfand. And if you bring back the cups, you can say, das geht zurück, or die gehen zurück. They go back. By the way, if you are enjoying this video so far and you want to learn practical, everyday life German, the German Fluency Academy might just be the right program for you. Inside the Academy, I help students go from zero knowledge all the way to becoming confident and conversational in German. It's also for you if you have already studied a little bit of German, but you feel like you're not able to speak at all. I guide you step by step from learning proper German pronunciation to navigating daily life situations, learning grammar from a practical point of view, all the way up to your first conversations with natives. If that sounds like something you want to achieve, then check out my free taster lesson for beginners, which is linked below in the description box. And by the end of it, you'll find out more on how you can join the German Fluency Academy and fast track your German learning.
Oh, ich habe so einen Kohldampf.
Hallo, ich hätte gern eine Kartoffelwurst und einmal die Pommes mit Trüffelmayo und Parmesan bitte. Und Pizza kann man sich hier einfach nehmen? Okay, super. Danke. Sehr lecker. So in Germany, it's actually more common that everyone pays separately, even when you go out with your friends. But very often, especially at the Christmas market, when it's so crowded, it's just easier that each friend gets around, so that just one person needs to line up. So if you want to invite your friends for a round of Glühwein, for example, you can say, das geht auf mich. What would you say? What's a common phrase that you would use?
Ja, das geht auf mich, die Runde geht auf mich. Ich zahle heute.
Ich zahle heute.
Das geht auf meinen Nacken.
Okay, what does that mean? Das geht auf meinen Nacken.
That goes on my neck, like I bury the burden of paying for each and every one.
Okay, well, in this case, das geht auf unsere Kamerafrau. Dankeschön. Prost.
Prost!
So next we're going to explore a bit and take you along with us while also learning some practical phrases on how to react like a local. One phrase you might already know is das war lecker. That was yummy. You can use this phrase for both foods and drinks. All right, let's go and explore together. Das sieht ja süß aus. Das sieht ja schön aus.
Das sieht ja echt toll aus.
Oh, Schneebälle, die sehen aber gut aus. Frag mich, was das ist. Ach du meine Güte, das zieht einem ja die Schuhe aus.
What does that mean? Das zieht einem die Schuhe
Takes
aus.
off my shoes, it's so strong.
So I hope you have found this lesson helpful for your visit at the Christmas market. And if you want to explore more, last year I actually went to a very special Christmas market, which was a themed Christmas market. So if you want to find out what theme it was about, check out this video next. I'll go now and enjoy more Glühwein. Thank you so much for watching. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!